I am Dallin Bowers with Arizona Restoration Specialist. I'm I guess you call it full service restoration. Most water damage and mold damage. We do also do fire. And I'm located in the Phoenix, Arizona market. I met RMG through my father. My father was the original owner of the company, and I was working with my family, obviously with my father, and he passed away almost 2 years ago. At which point I kind of took things over, and that's how I was introduced to RMG. My experience with RMG up to this point it's been great. Anytime I've ever had a question, I've been able to get a hold of my personal representative is Randy. At any given moment's notice, morning, night, before hours, after hours, anything like that. Um, the results speak for themselves. I'm still in business. I've been extremely happy with the results that my company has received because of RMG's work. My results with RMG this far, I'm the type of person, I don't exactly understand everything when it comes to SEO campaigns or pay-per-click campaigns. And that's something that's been a huge learning experience with me with RMG. They've been great to explain those things. Work, has been consistent. We're getting calls on a regular basis, which is obviously all anybody could really ask for. Additionally, one of the main things that I notice is specific with the SEO campaigns. We're consistently, top three in all of our markets for Google My Maps. A big thing for me that I've noticed as far as the results of everything that RMG has done for me, and this is definitely one of the more recent things. As of recently, I've had several customers who tell me they found me strictly off of my website or my Google rankings, or how easy my Google My Business page was for them to find, things like that. So those are great results that I've found. Out of all the possible choices and companies out there, you're not making the wrong choice.